She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a twist on a classic dessert that's usually served in a cup. We're going to go ahead and make a root beer float pie. So these are all the ingredients that we will be using today to create this pie. And with all of these flavors together, it is going to give us a creamy, dreamy, and a fun twist on the regular pie. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is the root beer float pie. As you can see, we went ahead and just decorated with some things you might get on a root beer float, which is whipped cream and of course a cherry. The inside of the pie had that wonderful, delicious root beer filling, which you could taste the root beer throughout the pie. You could go ahead and serve it pie style, or you could go ahead and make individual servings of root beer pie floats in a cup. This way you can get every single bite of what you need that you would get in the pie as well, and it's in cup form just like a root beer float. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's delicious recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy root beer floats. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.